Hello stalkers, welcome back. Last week we saw recovery in the market, especially DFM. Let's have a bigger view of the market. I'm on the weekly chart. This is looking interesting. Last candle is positive and it has closed above the immediate resistance, that is 5190. That was previously a support zone. We know last week market was bit under selling pressure. It came down to revisit 5115 points that we have identified as our support area. From here we are seeing a nice recovery and market has closed at 5238 points. Looking at this green candle on the weekly chart, this is looking positive. There are very good chances market may either go sideways from here for more time, let it establish a base here, and then potentially we may see a break to the upside. Overall, DFM market on the weekly chart is still looking positive. It's bullish and the last candle closing is positive. If I go down to daily chart, here we can clearly see signs of correction. Check this out. Market was trying for a breakout of 5265 points. It could not. It got dropped till about this area, that is support, and from here it's now recovering and it's trying to hit the same resistance again. Overall, I think correction is not yet over. Still there are chances we may see a drop, or even it can hit the resistance and come down again to establish a base here, and then potentially we will see a move to the upside. As of now, it's going through a correction phase. This is too little of a correction, because if we look at the overall move, check this out. The move is a bit extended right from here. This is the fresh rally, that is around 4345 points, and from here we are seeing strong momentum to the upside. So if market has to correct this leg to the upside, this is very little of a correction. It has to spend some more time here, either by going sideways, or if at all it's correcting by move, then it has to drop down to revisit next support area, and then potentially we may see a leg up. Overall, even on the daily chart, it's bullish. We are just going through a correction phase. Weekly chart of ADX market, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, is positive. We have again closed above the resistance, that is 9563 points. If you are following my analysis regularly, we know it was trading within this wedge pattern. After the breakout, we are seeing a follow through but not aggressive move to the upside. It's going up slowly and steadily. We saw this dodgy candle, nice move to the upside, again a dodgy candle, and last week candle is also a bit weaker. It's dodgy, but somehow market has closed above the resistance. From here on the weekly chart, we are looking some strength, we are looking some positivity. Market has broken the resistance and we are looking for a follow through, but still there are chances we may see a leg to the downside for a small correction of this move, and then potentially we may see a follow through. Overall, on the weekly chart, ADX market is looking positive. This is the daily chart of ADX. We know our next identified resistance is around 9600 points. Previously, when it was trying for a breakout, it got rejected multiple times. Also recently, when it was trying for a breakout and close above the zone, it was not successful. It came down to visit this area, that is 9520 twice, and it was successful to bounce up again. Last closing is positive. We can see a solid green candle after a negative closing a day before. As of now, need of the hour is to break out 9600 to give us a confirmation that from here now market is ready for 9653, that is next identified resistance area. In case if market wants to go sideways or come down, then we have already identified our support zones. Major or strong support as of now is at 9404 points. I hope market does not drop this low. We want to see either sideways momentum or a breakout of resistance to confirm upside momentum or uptrend has started. This is the daily chart of Dana. We can see the last leg up that I was talking about is already hit, and now it's time for a correction. After this chart pattern, that is flag pattern, we saw a nice breakout. This was the place where we had planned our entries. From here we are seeing aggressive move to the upside. It broke the resistance of 0.726 and then 0.752 was also taken out. A mild correction and then again a new leg to the upside was seen. It hit around 0.776. And right from this candle onwards, I have been mentioning there is one leg to the upside pending, and this is exactly what we are seeing. It has hit the resistance of 0.7762 area, and now most likely from here we should expect a correction phase. Immediate support at around 0.752 and then 0.726 area. Most likely we should be seeing a drop and then a recovery to resume its uptrend. So in case if you are holding Dana, you may start booking your profits partially at least, so that if at all it's coming down, you should be taking some profits, else there are chances your profitable position can be converted into negative. Overall, Dana is a trending stock. There was a positive news as well, but I think it has reached the top. We can clearly see this is the first top, this is the second top which it made, and it has got clear rejection. Check this out, this is a negative candle. It tried to move up during the day, it was not able to sustain and it dropped down. Yes, it has managed to create a top. Previously it was trading at around this area 0.774. From here it made a high of 0.777. So we can clearly see the high was broken, and this is the first top, this is the second top. Most likely we can see aggressive move to the downside from here. We will get a confirmation when it breaks the low of this candle, that is 0.747. If at all it comes down and breaks and closes below this zone, we will get 100% confirmation that now it's about to start its correction and this trend to the upside has come to the end. I hope this video was helpful. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.